You wanted people to eat them, so why?
They're dirty now, wash them.
They're not dirty. Oh, wash them, left or right.
Oh,
Or give Rob whatever you choose.
wait, Rob ain't having one.
No, he can wash them. Left or right.
Oh, fuck's sake. Left.
Your left or my left?
My left.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Wash that kid.
Oh, mate. It's been on the floor.
He's washing it.
Bit of hot water won't hurt it.
Wait till Devo gets here.
No. Doing it now.
Fucking need a fresh pan. Could I have some milk on standby, please?
Milk? It's not milk, it's yogurt anyway. I don't know where you're coming from.
Where's your milk, Bob?
Oh,
I
I
ain't
didn't
got
get
none.
none. Shit, fuck now.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me?
You bring them down, you pick everyone up. Yeah,
Oh,
do
it's
it,
massive,
do it,
it's
do it.
massive.
You've got to chew it like they've chewed it though.
Oh, Reg, come on. Fucking.
Yours is tiny. Look at it, it's twice the bastard
Oh,
size.
okay, pick one. Exactly the same size as yours.
There probably isn't one. Well, at least I'll know I've been the bigger man, and you could do that one. That was the same size.
You picked the bigger man.
Look, go toe to toe. Otherwise you're a pussy and a
Well,
bum.
There is no toe to toe. Pick left or right.
Look, you got
There you
to
go.
have the same size.
Which is what?
It's got to be that one.
That one.
Oh, no, that one's more like it. That one might be a bit big. Yeah, that one's fat. Look, that one's the same size that one is.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to bigger the man. I'm going.
No, don't start
Yes.
this shit!
I'm going. In fact, fuck yeah. I'm going full arsehole ring.
You're not going to eat that,
Yeah,
surely.
but look at the size of that.
No, it's like an apple! Mate, you can't eat that.
Compared
Mate,
to yours.
You might die. Don't do that, mate. Seriously. It's not worth it. Just go toe to toe.
Okay, which is what? What are you calling toast though?
That one's toe to toe. That one there. Look. Both the same size.
Pick the stalks off about 3 of them now. You're saying toast
Fuck it, I don't want to do this. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Got to chew it like Devo did.
Fuck me ass up. I'm gonna get the hiccups.
Stew's gone red.
That's hot.
What are you spitting? Spitting out. Coke. That is hot. It's not even started yet. You know. Oh, fuck, mate. That is hot.